Good day, learners. I welcome you to 2023-2024 academic section. My name is LAUTECH. I am the only e-tutor that will facilitate this course with you online. And the name of the facilitator of this course is Engineer Dr. Ebu Fajobi. The course title is Technical Drawing with the course code AGS 211. This course is 2-unit course and has a 5 study section. And each study section has its own learning outcome. The introduction. Technical drawing is the art and discipline of composing drawing that visually communicates how something functions or is constructed. Neat and accurate technical drawings are prepared with the help of special instruments or equipment. Also, the accuracy of the drawing depends on the quality of instruments used to prepare them. Study section 1. Use of drawing instruments. At the end of this study section, you should be able to state the different type of drawing instrument, describe the use of each of the drawing instrument equipment, describe using pictorial example how each of the drawing instrument can be used. Study section 2. Technical drawing standard. Under it, at the end of this study section, you should be able to identify the paper size and folding, state the use and recommended scale in technical drawing, differentiate all the lines and lettering, explain the title block and parts list. The study section 3, which is geometrical drawing. We are expected at the end of this study section, you should be able to divide a line into equal parts, draw regular polygons, drawing line and arcs tangential to each other, drawing curves used in engineering practice such as conic, cycloid, involute, and spiral, drawing normal and tangential to a given engineering curve, drawing the part of a point on the selected part of a machine that undergoes motion owing to the effects of other parts. Study section 4, presentation of technical drawing. Here at the end of this study section, you are able to correctly interpret technical drawing, produce orthographic drawing showing the necessary fields, prepare isometric drawing with section views, synthesize solution to the oblique drawing. Study section 5 with a fastening device. At the end of this study section, you should be able to draw and construct view of hexagonal head bolts, nut stud, and so on and so forth. The second learning outcome under is drawing freehand and identify the specific application of some fastening device. The third one is drawing freehand and identify the some type of weld joint. Then the last learning outcome, which is 4, is apply welding symbols to specific weld. So note at the end of this class, when you come for face-to-face facilitator, there will be assignment and short tests that will be given to you, which will be added to your CA and which will be added to your quiz and assignment that will make up your CA. And your CA is 40 marks while your examination is 60 marks. I wish you the best of luck in this semester.